Well, would you looky here? Look who's online. The good old Chicken Hawk typing away. That's my boy, Chicken Hawk. Now, I just want to be clear because I don't think I understand. Was I running away from the debate on Sunday at 4 p.m. Pacific? You can see he saw his 4 hours. So maybe he's got something going on in the next 4 hours. It'll be what? It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon in Texas. He says, I'm stalking him. I'm stalking him because I saw he was online. Here, I'm stalking him now. What a dipshit. He's a liar. He's bad at it. He's bad at typing. You see him just choking, trying to get it out. I guess we all know. I guess we all know who the chicken shit was, Chicken Hawk. Have a great day.